Hi, hello and salam. Welcome to CoelhosGarden. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can follow us on Instagram. Hello. Welcome back. I hope you all have been keeping well and fine. Today we're going to be making the most mouth-watering dish, Pani Puris. Yes, we're making Pani Puris at home. I always wondered as a child how all that air is filled on those puris. Today we're going to learn how to make those puris and you're going to love it. Let's get started. In a dish, we take 1 cup of Rava, which is also known as Semolina. Then we add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, maida, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it all well and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then slowly keep adding water. You will need half a cup of room temperature water. Knead the dough for the next 3 to 4 minutes until all the flours come together. Your dough is going to be slightly stiff and not sticky. Then you'll need to cover your dough with a damp cloth. Squeeze out all the water. Cover it for 30 minutes. Now this step is very important for your dough to rest before you make your puris. Grease the surface and the rolling pin slightly with oil. Knead your dough for a few seconds and take a small portion. Cover your rest of the dough with a wet cloth while rolling out your puris. Then start rolling out the dough like a chapati and roll it as thin as you can see. Then using anything round or if you have a cookie cutter, cut the puris. Also cover the puris that you've cut in a wet cloth until you fry them. A quick tip here, take a medium portion, make few puris at a time, as if you leave them for longer, you will not have all your puris puffed up. Now in a kadai, heat some oil on medium to high heat. Once the oil is hot, drop in your puris and you will see them getting puffed. Fry them until golden brown. Now just in case all of your puris don't puff up, don't worry, you can always use them as papadis and probably make a papadi chaat out of your flat puris. It's still a win. Now that we've fried our puris, let's make the tamarind chutney and the Teekha pani. In a bowl, I've taken tamarind, soak them in hot water for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm mashing the pulp and mixing it well for all the flavors to come out. In another bowl, strain out all the juice. Don't throw the strained tamarind, run it again through water so you have all those flavors used. Then in a kadai, add the tamarind juice. Once it begins to boil, add some jaggery. To this you add dry ginger powder, cumin powder, chilli powder and some salt. Mix it all well until the froth and foam disappears, until it's glossy like this. Now for the Teekha pani, in a blender we're going to use 1 cup of mint leaves, 1 cup of coriander, 3 green chillies and a small piece of ginger. Blend it all well. Then in a big bowl take some water, add in some ice cubes. I prefer the water being cold. If you don't prefer so, skip the ice cubes. Now add the blended mix into the water. Mix it all well. Add lime juice, salt, hing and some chaat masala or amchur powder, whichever you have. Mix it all well and your Teekha pani is ready. I have mashed some boiled potatoes and mixed some chopped onions for the filling. You can add some chaat masalas or any spices you like for your filling. There you have your super yummy pani puris from scratch at home. Do try making this at home. I'm sure you'll love it. If you do like this recipe, do let me know in the comments below and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. Bye for now. Thank you for watching my video. Leave a comment below if you've liked my recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can follow me on Instagram. The account link is in the description. See you on Sundays, Tuesdays and Fridays.